This is a rainy day. A man came to the river near the forest to hunt fish with a fishing rod. I wish a fish in the river. Will I wish swimming? I saw a delicious food floating in the water. I went to the delicious food I saw. I thought it was a trap, so I left. I understood that trap. If I had fallen into that trap, I would have been a roasted fish being cooked for dinner tonight, and I escaped.